Here today we have this this bird fighting itself. Here he goes over here. Fighting its reflection, unknown reasons.
Hold on, I'm trying to get a picture of this birdie.
So he's just sitting here. He just flew over here somewhere.
Oh, there he is.
There he is.
I wish I had a pet like that.
Oh, you wish.
Oh, you wish. Where'd he go?
I don't know, but he should be coming.
Look, there he is.
There he goes.
There he is.
And he's the butt.
He keeps flying up and hitting himself. Here he is.
How is he not hurting himself? Hey, bird.
I guess he's just gonna keep trying again.
Sasha, go out the back door.
And he's gonna try everything.
Oh, Sasha.
Perfect.
Move your head, please. Where is he?
And here he is. Say hi, birdie.
Oh, I see him.
And he's down here. He's about to fly back up. There we go. I knew it. Crazy bird. I'm gonna call this birdie attacking itself.
Okay, guys, this is so fun.
I'm gonna call it Robin versus Glass.
I call this Crazy Bird.
I'm going to call him burning glass and hitting himself.
And this is a cardinal hitting itself on the window.
Right here, it just went. I can see it very smoothly moving slowly into the grass somewhere. It's about to pop up, so let's wait for it right here.
Move back a little bit.
All right.
Where is he?
Wait for the moment.